Hey everybody, welcome back to the BTR Garage. My name is Justin. Today we have the first upgrade that I'm going to be doing to my 2002 Ford F250 with the 7.3 Powerstroke diesel. We got a simple video for you today, a simple upgrade. We're going to be installing a new trailer brake controller, replacing the one that is in the truck currently. We'll show you what we've got and we'll show you how to hook it up in the truck. Now the existing trailer brake controller on the truck is found down here, mounted to the dash. The trailer brake controller purpose is to actually activate the brakes on the trailer itself. The trailer will usually have electronic style brakes that are tied into the brake pedal on the truck through the wiring into the brake controller. What this does is aid in stopping power when you're coming to a stop, as you have not only the truck's brakes braking the car, but the trailer brakes braking the car as well. Now I went ahead and quickly removed the old brake controller from the truck. This is very primitive looking brake controller from Hayes, I believe it is. And we're going to be upgrading to a more modern Tekonsha P3 brake controller. This one has a lot more features, the capability for multiple trailers, has an LCD display readouts, and a number of other features that are nice to have when you're towing big trailers with big trucks. We also have the appropriate adapter cable for this particular brake controller that will attach to the stock Ford F250 wiring harness that's in there already. The Tekonsha P3 is now out of the box. Very nice unit. Still has the lever for manually testing your brake controller on the bottom. The old one has the pinch style lever here. This is a way you can actually activate the electronic brakes on the trailer only to do testing and setting up of the actual brakes on the trailer. So this one, again, bunch of different buttons for the settings. We'll take a look at them in a little bit here, hopefully. And I'm hoping that the mounts for this guy will actually fit right into the existing mount that the other brake controller was in, so we don't have to mount a new one. But if you were mounting this from scratch, you would basically screw this little bracket up into your dash somewhere with screws upward like that, and then the unit would fit in there like so and look something like that hanging underneath your dash. Now the new Tekonsha P3 mounted up just fine under the dash. I did have to use the bracket that came with the Tekonsha controller, this bracket here that screws in to the bottom of your dash area. The old one was just a little bit too wide, but no big deal. I just reused the same holes. If you're going to be mounting this new from scratch, that's your bracket right there, and you can see the screws underneath there. Just drill it straight into the plastic. You want to make sure there's nothing important behind the back of your dash, but it's a pretty simple and straightforward install. The next thing that we'll be doing is connecting the wire harness that I purchased along with the Tekonsha controller. This one will allow you to connect your new brake controller to your specific vehicle. Of course, this one is for my 2002 Ford F250. You'll notice the old wiring harness from the old brake controller does not fit. It's a different style connector. So what I got to do is unplug that from underneath the dash. As you can see, I've removed the front panel, which is simple 4 little screws in the front, and the connector is actually up right in there. So I'm going to get that old harness unplugged, get the new one plugged in, and then put the dash back together. It's freaking hot as heck out here. The sun is coming in, so I'm trying to get this done and wrapped up and show you guys the finished product. All right, so the trailer brake controller is connected. It powered up. As you can see, it's got the little display screen. It says press a key to continue. And it's going to show me the power levels that I can set for my brake controller. Basically, the amount of power that is going to your brakes determines how hard those brakes are going to activate when they are connected. And obviously I don't have a trailer connected to my truck right now, so I won't be able to do a lot of setup. So refer to your manual for actual setup of the brake controller and the cool options that it has, in addition to standard trailer brake controls like the boost setting and multiple trailers and things like that. And looking good with everything buttoned up and back together. All right, everybody, there we go. Quick little video on how to install a trailer brake controller into your truck or your SUV. These brake controllers will work with virtually any truck that is wired for a trailer brake. You just need to get the appropriate adapter harness that connects the Tekonsha unit to your factory OEM wiring harness, or you can go the hard route and wire it all completely yourself for the electronic trailer brakes. But I love these brake controllers. This is the second one I have had. I'm looking forward to trying it out on our new truck. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, please leave them down below. You can find links to the products that I used in the description as well down below. Stick around for more good stuff for the F250 here. Stay fast out there. I am checking out. We'll talk to you all next time.